Good morning, students. Today we are going to study numbering the years in the Gregorian calendar after the birth of Christ. Students, did you ever see the picture of Jesus Christ? The years after the birth of Christ are written using the letters CE after them. The CE years were known as the AD years, that means Anno Domini in Latin, which I already taught you in the previous class. Anno Domini means in the years of the Lord. For example, 2000 CE or 1830 CE. CE stands for Common Era, which means the period after the birth of Jesus Christ. This timeline represents the time after the birth of Christ. 100 CE, 1000 CE, 2000 CE. The years after the birth of Christ are written in CE. A few events that took place after the birth of Christ. Mahatma Gandhi was born on in 1869 CE. Our country became independent in 1947 CE. You were born in Dashi. You will feel here by yourself. Before the birth of Christ, there were dates and years even before the birth of Christ. To number the years before his birth, the years are counted backward from the year 1. The dotted arrows in the timeline represent the direction in which number the years after the birth of Christ and before the birth of Christ. Starting from the first year, go over the dotted lines like this. First go forward and then go backward. Let I remind you, after the Christ's birth, the years are counted forwards, and before Christ's birth, the years are counted backwards. BCE is written for the years before the birth of Christ. This stands for B before, C common, and era. BC stands for before common era. All these years and before the birth of Christ, they are counted backwards and have BCE written. BCE, 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 such as 100 BCE, 200 BCE, and 300 BCE. These years after the birth of Christ, they are counted forward and have CE written. CE, CE, and CE, such as 100 CE, 200 CE, and 300 CE. Due to this system, it becomes possible to number the years before Christ's birth as well as those after his birth. This timeline has some missing dates. Children, can you fill them in? This one you have to do in your book. Now, chapter review. Timeline is a line of dates arranged in the correct order. Gregorian calendar is the most popular calendar. The Saka calendar is the official civil calendar used in India along with the Gregorian calendar. The years after the birth of Christ have CE, means Common Era, written after them. The years before the birth of Christ have BCE, means Before Common Era, written after them. After this, you have to solve question number A, tick the correct option, B, fill in the blanks, C, write T for true and F for false statement, and D, match the following. This A, B, C, D you will do in your book. Question number E, you have to solve all the question answer in your SSC notebook. Thank you.